Hey everyone, and welcome back to What's New at SuperOps. We are kicking off 2026 with updates that make day-to-day work smoother, smarter, and a lot more organized. Let's jump right in. Asset visibility just got a whole lot sharper. You can now group devices based on the software installed on them and the versions they're running. That means spotting outdated apps, tracking rollout progress, and staying on top of software compliance across your entire device landscape in just one view. Ever start with a simple ticket and realize it's turning into something bigger? Now you can instantly convert any ticket into a project. All the details, links, and context comes along with it, so you can move from reactive work to planned execution in minutes. No rework, no copy-paste. For MSPs, Finance Conversations finally get their own space. Invoices, payment reminders, and billing emails are now routed through a dedicated Finance Mailbox. It keeps finance communication neatly separated from support and sales, while still staying connected to the right invoice. You can now assign priority levels, urgent, high, medium, or low, to tasks across both tickets and projects. Teams can instantly see what needs attention first and sequence work more effectively. This is clarity at a glance. Replying within a ticket just got a whole lot more comfortable. We've introduced a unified floating reply widget that follows you across tabs, so you never lose context while responding. It offers a familiar Gmail-style pop-out editor for longer replies, a consistent experience across notes and conversations, and even lets you resize it to match how you like to work. Duplicate asset records are officially a thing of the past. SuperOps now automatically identifies and merges duplicate assets when devices are re-enrolled or re-imaged while preserving tickets, alerts, patch history, and activity logs. One clean, accurate asset record every time. SuperOps will soon extend macOS management by adding native MDM support. You'll get real-time monitoring through the agent, plus deeper compliance and device control through MDM, the best of both worlds. SuperOps just released a new research report in partnership with Omdia. This data-driven report looks at how Agentic AI is reshaping IT service delivery for MSPs and internal IT teams, with clear analyst insight into the gap between teams experimenting with AI and the few who've put it into real workflows. You'll see where early adopters are already resetting performance benchmarks, where others are getting stuck in pilot mode, and what the real cost of delay looks like. The report also outlines a practical roadmap along with guidance on the use cases, governance, and readiness leaders need to focus on. Be sure to download your copy. The latest issue of SuperBugle magazine is out now. This edition brings together conversations around Agentic AI with practitioners sharing what's working and what's breaking and what they're still figuring out. You'll read stories from IT leaders and MSPs who are putting AI theories into action, learn how you can make money from AI, and even get a quick tarot reading on the future of IT. Be sure to download your free copy and enjoy your weekend read. As always, these updates are built to help you work faster, stay organized, and scale with confidence. That's what's new in SuperOps this month. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.